Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel SivaTube. So today we will learn about how to create a web application using a Spring Boot in a very simple steps. So let's start. You need to have IDE like Eclipse, STS or IntelliJ, whatever. So I am having Eclipse IDE. Now we will create a Spring Boot starter project. So for creating the Spring Boot starter project, you need to go File, New, and a Spring starter project. You can find out here directly, or else you can go to Other and just search a Spring starter project. Now here you can give your project name as something like it came like demo. Now you need to select your Java version, what the Java version you use. I'm using 8 version, so I'll select it, and the packaging will be jar and the language will be Java. So it support Kotlin and Groovy, but we are using Java. And the type of build type like this Maven. You can use Gradle or Maven, so Maven is fine. Now here you can provide the group name, the artifact name, and the version and the description what the project basically of, and package should be like. So I am keeping this one as the same. Now clicking on the next. Here we need to add one dependency like we need to create a web application, so we need to add a Spring Web. So just search like this web, here this web. So what it will do, it will add the jar file to our class path for the web dependency. Now next, finish. So it is being importing, so the dependencies and the projects are being set up. Okay, it's done. Now we can go move to this Maven dependency, and here we can find out all this, like these jars have been downloaded like a Spring Boot starter, a Spring Boot. So all these dependencies are related to Spring Web. So this is Spring Web we can see here. Okay, now we will create one controller package. So com.example.demo.controller. So the base package will be same, and then after we can write our own. So base package is com.example.demo. So com.example.demo.controller. First we will see like pom.xml is having the web dependency or not, as we say. So this is the, while creating the project we have added the dependency, so it is reflecting here. So okay, now we will create one controller class, demo controller. Okay, so for creating a REST application, web application, we can use @REST controller. And now basically we want the get method, so just we will write get mapping. Okay, now we'll give the endpoint like get data. Okay, public response entity, just we can write this string only right now, and we'll give data, and this one as the return, like we can give h1 COG h1. Okay, so this is the basic string we are returning from here. Now what we can do is just we'll start this project. as a Spring Boot starter. So as you can see, this project is started. Here we can see 8080 the default port, the Tomcat started on port this way. So as this project is running in the local, so we can use localhost. Okay, so just new window I'll create. Now localhost 8080. So this is white label error page because this mapping is didn't find in the our backend. So what we have written there, we have written get data. Now you can see. So this is the basic web application we can develop, we have created. So now again go back to the application. Here we can change the color of this one. So STYL style is equal to like color red. Okay, now we'll see the color will be changed like to red. So for whatever the changes we are doing here, if we want to directly reflect or reload the application, we can use another dependency, that is DevTools. Okay, now go back to the application and refresh this one. So now it's changed to red. Okay, so this is a basic application, and I will be uploading more videos on the Spring Boot, like how to do the CRUD operations and all those. I have already provided the CRUD operations, but that is not up to the mark, so I will be uploading more Spring Boot tutorials video. So okay, hope you understand this basic concepts, how to create a web application by using Spring Boot. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do share, subscribe to our channel, and if you want more videos, you can comment. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.